What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another vlog. If you are a returning subscriber, you already know the vibes. Welcome back. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the Lotus Vibration family. Okay, go ahead and hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you never miss a video when I upload. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. I have been meaning to do this video for so long. For one, I'm bulking right now, okay? I'm going to be showing you guys what I typically eat in a day while I am bulking and just the supplements that I usually take while I am bulking. So for one, let's get some of this stuff out. It is upper body day. I'm going to be hitting shoulders, chest, and upper back. I'm super excited. I'm starting the day out with a Ghost. This is Bubblicious flavor. It is so good. I first tried this flavor in New York, Brooklyn, and I just thought it was so good. Like, it was so nostalgic because obviously Bubblicious bubblegum, like, you can't go wrong with that. That's a childhood memory. We're starting out with that, and then I have been taking my creatine supplement for exactly a week, you guys. This is the first time I have decided to actually take creatine for the long run. So I've been taking it for a week. There's 150 capsules in this. One is a monohydrate. I like the pill form just because I don't like the taste of anything extra. With this one, there's no bloating, there's no carbs, there's no water retention, no cramps, no nothing. I really like this brand. So I'm going to be taking it specifically for 30 days at a time just to see what my gains are looking like. And I can already see that I have definitely developed some strength gains in the last week, because those are the two things that I usually start out with when I'm headed to the gym. As soon as I wake up in the morning, I'm taking my detox supplement. This is a cilantro heavy metal detox with chlorella, which is basically the plant blood. This is my B12 supplement. I love taking it. Is raspberry. Fast absorption. I love liquid supplements because they just absorb so much faster. I'm kind of iffy about bringing my camera to the gym, especially when I'm in the zone, but I just might. We'll see if I actually get some footage in there. But I usually have like either 2 rice cakes, or I have some Raisin Bran for quick carbs. But because I really ate a lot of carbs yesterday, I ate more than I wanted to. I'm going on a fasted workout to use some of the carbs that I overdid yesterday. So I'm going to be running a few errands here and there. So without further ado, let's get into the vlog, okay? Alright, you guys, it is currently 1:16. I left the gym around 12 o'clock, but obviously I had to go run a few errands. I went to return some of those workout fitness jackets from Amazon to Whole Foods so they can package it up and proceed to returning. The first meal of the day, it is going to be a English muffin with some egg whites, turkey bacon. Only like use a half of egg yolk, egg whites from this here. In about 2 hours I will have some like a smoothie or something with protein powder in it for lunch. I can get more protein and less fat. very well balanced. We got carbs from the English muffin, some protein within the bacon and eggs, at least 20 grams with that in itself. Start my day off. I'm super hungry, so y'all, this is it. I'm about to eat.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah, I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with